New to the market, 25531 Golden Spring Drive in Dana Point. This 2,370 square foot two-story home incorporates 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is located in the most desirable neighborhood of Marlborough Seaside. Come on in for an amazing tour. Welcome home. Check out these vaulted ceilings with new recessed lighting and all the natural light coming in from the windows. This open living space is so bright, and the French doors off the dining room let in even more light and give access to the side yard. The first floor living area has newer hardwood flooring and 2 cozy fireplaces, one in the living room and one in the family room. And the wet bar in the family room is right off the eat-in kitchen. That's natural ceramic tile on the kitchen floor and granite counters and backsplash. Look at all the cabinets for storage. A farmhouse sink and a huge garden window overlooking your private backyard. Again, notice how bright the kitchen is with all the natural light coming in from the windows. The first floor bath has been nicely updated. And you have a functional, dedicated laundry room with utility sink right off the garage. Wow, take a look at the expansive hardscape backyard. A pergola-covered outdoor living space provides shade, and there's a green grassy area for your dog. The whole backyard and side yards are private and gated. Let's head upstairs. Wow, this floor plan is so open and bright. I love the openness of the staircase. Upstairs, you'll find the master ensuite and 3 nicely sized additional bedrooms. Your large master has vaulted ceilings and French doors accessing one of the bedrooms. This floor plan really excites me. I can see this as a perfect setup for a nursery or a home office. The master bedroom is huge, and it easily accommodates a king-size bed and large furniture. And the large ensuite bathroom has a jetted tub, yes, it's green, separate shower, double sinks with plenty of counter space and separate toilet room. And your walk-in master closet offers tons of storage. 3 extra bedrooms share a separate bathroom with a tub shower combo. This floor plan is ideal for a young growing family. Yes, the home needs some updates in the upstairs bathrooms, new paint throughout, and new carpeting or flooring upstairs and in the stairwell, but at the price of $405 a square foot, this is a great home in a super friendly neighborhood with safe, flat streets for kids to play on, and is located with easy access to the 5 and is just a 1-mile walk to Doheny State Beach. Call me if you'd like to schedule a private showing.